Hey guys, Brian again. I'm going to go over 10 items that you're going to want to keep in your car. And stick around because one item you may not have in your car, but I'll tell you what you can do if you don't have it. The first item is a roadside hazard kit. And that's what is here on the left in the gray box with the little triangle on it. It's fairly old, but you want these items because you don't want to be stranded on the side of the road or have issues like that and not be prepared. So this is the road hazard kit here. I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. And as I open it up here, you've got a bunch of different tools here, and some have been added over time. You have an LED like night light here. It's just one you crack open. Actually, it's not LED, it's chemicals, but this is a thermal blanket for emergencies in case you get really cold. You've got a screwdriver, a socket with socket set here. You've also got some multi-tool fittings there. This is some tape here. Looks like electrical tape. We've got some little bungee cord, some extra auto fuses in case you need those. Some zip ties. And this is some hosing here. And these are some, looks like some wire cutters. And I think I've added some things to this. This is the multi-tool here. You can put in the little screw heads, the flathead or whatnot there. There's a few other little small things here. And this item here, I'm unsure. If you know what it is, put it in the comments. It's either some type of hand pump or retractable gas can. Right here we've got the jumper cables. You've got the window scraper. And these are some extra sockets. And this is a Stanley, I think I got this as a gift. It's a mechanic tool set. And this is really helpful. I've had to use it once or twice before. I'm just gonna open it up here and show it to you. So it's got all kinds of things here. Definitely has come in handy. The next item here is we've got some gloves here. These are some gloves I've used, if say you're on the side of the road or you need to change a tire or whatever, and get some grease on your hands. I always include a hat too. This is a backpack. I use it for work, but you can also put, if you're diabetic, put some granola bars in there in case you get stuck in traffic on the side of the road, whatnot. Put an extra set of clothes in there. Those are things that can be helpful too. I always put a lawn chair in my trunk as well, just in case you're at an event and you want to be sitting. Of course, I've got my workout items here, just in case I need those. Those you might not need for sure, but for what I do, I include it as well. And under here is where you're hopefully going to find your spare tire, as well as your jack kit to jack up your car to change your tire. What I also have here is some extra tire stem valves right here. Sometimes they go missing for whatever reason. You need to replace them. And what's interesting in my car, I have a flat tire temporary repair kit. And there's directions here how to use it. And basically you turn it on, you press the yellow button, pump up the tire, and then change the dial and put in foam. Now, unfortunately, I was looking and I was like, what's going on here? There's no tire. And so this is the emergency kit, medical kit. I've kind of restocked this over time. I've got surgical sutures, but you just need basic items. I've got gauze, gloves, more gloves there. Basically, I wanted some items some alcohol pads. This is emergency rations here. I don't think you need all that, but hey, we got it. Basically, if you pull up on the side of the road and you see someone needs some help, then you can get out and provide help if you need it, or for your family. And a flashlight. I wanted to come back to where I talked about when we lifted up in the vehicle and there was no spare tire. So some vehicles, they don't come with a spare tire now apparently, and they come with that tire kit that I showed you, where you can fill up the tire with the air and then subsequently do the foam. You can also, I would rather just have a spare tire. That kind of weirds me out to have like a tire repair kit, because if your tire blows out on the side of the road, if you have a major repair that's needed, that little kit back there is not going to work. You can buy a spare tire kit for your vehicle. Unfortunately, it's going to cost quite a bit, $300 apparently for a spare. Personally, would rather trust a spare. Than it's going to be more versatile than the little tire pump kit back there. But you have it, and these type of cars come with that instead of a spare sometimes. But I really hope this video helped. If you got value out of this video, go ahead and subscribe and check out the other videos, and check out this next video coming up. It's going to show you about a little hack about how to make your car smell better.